My name is Daniel Montez. I'm the Senior Manager of Internal Audit for Marmon Holdings, Inc. We're a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway, and under us, there are 156 business units right now that we audit. We have a team in India, a small team in China, and our team here in the States, which consists of people on the West Coast, on the East Coast, and in Chicago. Audit Board for us was something I wanted to implement at prior jobs. And because of budget and what have you, it just never was able to happen. And as we grew the size of our department and the scope of what we were auditing, I needed a tool that would better help us get away from the manual spreadsheets and all the storage that we had in separate places and stuff. For user adoption, I'd say everybody likes it. It's very simple to use. On the user side, for our stakeholders, they love it too. They get the Audit Board summaries, right, and what they have to do, but it's not 20 emails from internal audit saying, hey, can you update this, can you update this? Our external auditors really like using the system. Well, one, it's very efficient, but two, it's my understanding and I'm of the opinion that they have other clients that use Audit Board as well. Granting them access, that's the only thing I really had to do because we already have the external auditor role set up. They don't see what they don't need to see. I can assign them what they want to see, and that's it. From a collaboration standpoint, it's perfect. You can tag somebody, you don't need to do the email, especially when the team is in China or in India, because the timing is just a little bit off, right? And that goes the same with our businesses out there, right? So they don't have to worry about working on our time. But you know, when you have that many users, and not just on the audit side, but at the business side, keeping them happy is one of my things, right? When we look at where we were and where we are now, transparency was a big thing. To create reports for Berkshire, or for anybody really, was a pain, because you had to collect data from all over the place. People had some stuff stored locally, some stuff was stored on one of the various shares. Some people started, using SharePoint, and it was a nightmare. And now we have visibility on a click, really. Like the combined issues report is one of my favorites because it shows me the world. And it shows me where the remediations are at, right? It shows me who's responsible, who's late. I don't have to create that anymore. So that's one of the biggest takeaways for me, at least from the reporting standpoint. The usability piece, though, is just as great because the drag and drop functionality, having everything in one work step for our ops audits or even our controls testing, it just makes the world a better place.